Merry Christmas, everyone! So I just got this beautiful tree online from Northlight. This is one of the Real Touch Elite artificial Christmas trees, and let me tell you, it's absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait for you to see it. Let me show you how quick and easy you can set this tree up. I like to start by setting up my tree stand where my tree will go. Then I place the tree sections down on the floor in order within easy reach. I have a 7-foot tree, but they also come in 6, 9, and 12 foot with all the same great features. They have memory wire branches. They're pre-lit with IPT, which is their instant power technology. They look just like the real tree. Northlight offers a few different species like the Breckenridge pine. They also offer some flocked options as well. Watch as I put the bottom of the tree into the stand and how beautifully these branches just fall into place. Now, I did have to spend some time shaping the tree the first time I set it up, but the memory wire means that I can save a ton of time because the tree keeps its shape year after year despite being in the box. Who doesn't love that? My favorite thing about this tree is the IPT technology. Who wants the hassle of messy wires when you can simply plug in the tree once? As I connect each section of the tree, the lights come on automatically, which I love, and it's super convenient. I don't have to spend that annoying time searching through the branches to find the plugs for the lights. Guys, I mean, come on, look at this tree. It is so beautiful and full, and I just took it out of the box. Now that my tree's together, I just need to shape the top of my tree, and it looks fantastic. In less than 2 minutes, I'm off to get my ornaments to decorate my tree with my kids, and we couldn't be more excited. If you're shopping for a new tree, I highly recommend the ease and convenience of a Real Touch Elite Christmas tree by Northlight. Hope you have a great Christmas!